Hello everyone, today we are going to see another question on lead code, and that is binary tree pruning. So first we'll read the question. We are given the head node root of a binary tree where additionally every node's value is either a 0 or a 1. Return the same tree where every subtree of the given tree not containing a 1 has been removed. Recall that the subtree of a node x is x plus every node that is a descendant of x. Okay, so before moving ahead with this question, I want to tell you what actually prune means. So prune actually means trim by cutting away dead or overgrown branches or stems, especially to encourage growth. Okay, तो हमको क्या करना है कि आपको इनपुट में एक ट्री दिया हुआ रहेगा जिसकी रूट आपको दी हुई रहेगी. आपको आउटपुट में वो जितने भी उसमें ज़ीरोज़ है ना, उन सब को हटा के आपको ट्री को रिटर्न करना है. जैसे ये आपके पास एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है इनपुट में. अब इसमें से सारे ज़ीरोज़ हटा के आपको ये ट्री रिटर्न करना है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू यूज सिंपल रिकर्जन हियर. एंड जब भी हम रिकर्जन के बारे में बात करते हैं तो व्हाट वी थिंक नेक्स्ट इज द बेस कंडीशन. ओके, तो बेस कंडीशन के बारे में हम लोग सोचते हैं. आप लोग देखिए यहाँ पे भी हम लोग देखेंगे कि लीफ नोड तक हमको ट्रैवर्स करना है कि नहीं. तो लीफ नोड क्या होती है? रूट का लेफ्ट नल होना चाहिए, रूट का राइट भी होना चाहिए और रूट की वैल्यू 0 होना चाहिए. अगर ये तीनों कंडीशंस ट्रू होंगी तो ये भी हमारी एक बेस कंडीशन फुलफिल हो जाएगी. अब आप यहाँ पे ध्यान से देखिए, जो इस क्वेश्चन में कैच है वो ये है कि इफ़ यू आर गिवन इनपुट 1 0 1 0 0 0 1, so the output is not just going to be you are going to replace all the zeros with null. No, here this tree has got 1 null 1 null 1, so that is why you can see 1 null 1 null 1 and not that 1 null 1 null 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 1. Okay, I hope you are getting what I am trying to say. This is not that simple. So that is the catch in this question. And I think that we don't need much of approach part in this question. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the code. In the code, what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to have my base condition. If root is equals to null, then I'm going to return null. Okay, simple recursion. So that is why I'm going to find the value root dot left, that is going to be equal to prune tree, and I'm going to pass the left subtree inside it. Similarly, I'm doing it for right. And then comes the condition which we were talking about. If root dot left is equals to null, root dot right is also equals to null, and root dot value is equals to 0, then also we have to return null, and at last we have to return root, so that the new and the tree new tree with the amendments gets returned from this function. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is that हम लोग एक एग्जाम्पल इस पर रन करके देखते हैं. जैसे हमारे पास ये इनपुट आया, ठीक है, तो अब सबसे पहले क्या होगा कि we passed 1 in this function. So is this condition true? Is root equals to null? No. So we'll move ahead. We'll find root dot left equals to prune tree root dot left. So we'll pass this 0 inside it. So again the recursive call goes here. Again it will call itself. If root is equals to null, no. So again we'll pass root dot left, that is this 0. Okay, so again we pass 0 and we moved ahead. So if root equals to null, no, root is not equals to null. So again we passed it root dot left, but now 0's left is null. So that is why this condition is going to be true, that is going to return null, and that is why we came back at this root dot left for this 0. Okay, similarly this root dot left is going to return null, and that is why we will get back to this. Then this root dot right function will move on, root dot right statement will move on, and then we will again get null, so we'll get returned to that point. So what we are doing simple, that is very simple. We are returning the tree by removing all the zeros, and if there is a tree, a node whose left is also 0 and right is also 0, then we are just replacing that whole portion by null. That is why we will see here 1, and that will point to left to null, and in the right that is 1 and 1, and this one's left is going to be null and one's right is going to be 1. Okay, very easy. So that was all about this code. Thank you.